morning. I've been here 2 nights. Both nights the power has gone out during the night, which makes it a bit sweaty without the air conditioning box working. But the weird thing is the phone reception goes out as well. If it's like yesterday, both things should be back in about an hour. Today I'm heading about 40 kilometers to the town of Tocra, where there's some more ruins to explore.
Palazzo della Colonia. Palazzo della Colonia is Italian name.
The previous day, I'd been very lucky to receive a personal guided tour of the museum and the ruins at Tolmeta. Sorry about the flickering of the strip light. It is normal as soon as I step outside.
Amazing.
2 times. 1, 2. This is early. This is late.
There were several statues that lost their head during the Second World War.
Palace is Hellenistic period, about 2nd or 1st century BC. Here you can see this some buildings, shops.
This is all the cistern, which we're about to go inside.
2, 3, 4 here and 4 another here. We have from the north to south, north to south, another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, we are in the middle.
Here we've got the water channel arriving in the cistern. Another water channel. Great. As I was just explaining to Dr Faraj, I wouldn't have been able to come here because of the lack of accommodation and not being able to camp. Without being invited to stay in the archaeologist's cabin, I would have completely missed this site. So lots of thanks to all the people that organised that for me. There is no wind this morning. Assalamu alaikum.
I'm an English teacher.
Oh, hi. Assalamu alaikum.
It's a pleasure to see you here.
Oh, nice to meet you.
I watch you in social media.
Oh, thank you very much.
Are you able to climb this high mountain?
Yes, I came down it yesterday. Now I'm going along the coast.
Tocra, you know Tocra?
Yes, yes.
It's a great city. It's
Yeah.
Ancient.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
You have to ask about old Tocra.
Yes. Nice new bit of road here with road markings even. Usually Libyan roads are just like a Dodgem car track. You just go wherever there's space. There isn't usually defined lanes like this. Since there was so much rubbish beside the road yesterday, I will point out that today there's far less rubbish, and that might be because the road is newer, so it's just had less time to accumulate. Nice little break. 20 k's to go. The sign says, in English, there is no peace without arms in the hands of the state.
Again, there's no formal accommodation in Tocra, but arrangements had been made for me, and so I followed security to where I would be staying.
Cave houses. What's going on here? شكرا.
آثار توكرا.
اوكي شكرا.
مدينة توكرا الأثرية.
هذا غرفة
ها.
لي أنا.
هذه الغرفة لك أنت.
اوكي شكرا.
توا شوية نجيبوا المفتاح. مفتاح.
أين مفتاح؟ اوكي إن شاء الله هناك مفتاح.
إن شاء الله.
It seems, if I've understood correctly, and there's a very good chance I have, that I'll be staying on site at Old Tocra in the room here, if the key can be found. Big if. Nice. On my last night in Libya, not counting Benghazi, I'm going to be sleeping on Arabic couches on the floor with the sea just there. Couldn't be happier. Once again, the museum has been opened especially for me.
The first building here, gymnasium,
Yeah.
in Greek time, and then Byzantine bath, and then Byzantine Islamic fortress. Museum Tocra is famous in the world by the pottery, yes. And the Sphinx from the Egyptian, yes. The Sphinx. Used for the perfume, yes. For the perfume, for the lady, yes.
I always forget how close I am to Egypt here. Couscous, stuffed courgette, stuffed capsicum, stuffed vine leaves. Yum. Hello. You know the feeling when you're followed around a shop. Everywhere I go. These are grave sites, I'm reliably informed. Check out these inscriptions. And then right above it, in this room here, is where I'm staying tonight.